Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us start. Open any editing application.
I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your 5 photos.
You can also add your one video and 4 photos.
Now select Format 916 and adjust all photos to full screen.
Delete the end part.
Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description.
And reset your photo or video to this time duration.
Now add text.
Choose font and style, and then place the text. Now apply the text layer to the first photo.
Now check your video. Now export.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.